Saw the guys in the pond behind an apartment complex I was visiting and thought, wow, that would be a really cool job. So I decided to look into it, and I've been here ever since. So our values are stewardship, trust, excellence, accountability, dedication, and integrity. My favorite is stewardship. Stewardship means taking care of whatever you're assigned. Most people are a steward to their home, but we're going to pay you to be a steward of the water bodies that you're assigned. That doesn't just mean making your customers happy. That means making an environment that nature can thrive in as well. So what we do is we do integrated pest management. We come out and we manage mostly invasive weeds, but some native but nuisance weeds. We use different strategies for that. The biggest strategy would be applying certain products like chemical herbicides or algicides to the water to help ensure a healthy and clean water body. You really don't need any real skill set to come here. The comprehensive training program will pretty much get you right where you need to be. The first 90 days all consist of training. You'll basically job shadow whoever your trainers are. You'll probably have multiple. I'm one of them. They're going to take you out in the field with them, show you what to expect, what ponds look like, what they're supposed to look like, and the various weeds and algae to identify. No one's expecting you to walk through the door and know how to do the job. You're going to learn all of it on the job, and by the time you're on your own, you'll be perfectly capable of doing everything we ask you to do. I just want to highlight that this company has very good hours. I'm home every day by 3:30. We also have excellent holiday and PTO. Nature very much appreciates what we do, even if it can't state it. Without us, nobody can use this water body for fishing, wakeboarding, boating. The water bodies are all but useless if someone isn't out here to help manage it. Every chemical that we use on the job is certified through the EPA. So everything that we spray and apply to water bodies is completely safe for the wildlife. We're specifically mixing and using chemicals that target that specific species that we've identified as a problem in that water body. So expect the unexpected. Every pond's going to be different. They can be right across the street from each other and have entirely different problems. As soon as you fix one problem, another may pop up, but that's why it's called aquatic management. That's what we do. We try to foster the stuff that we want, and we try to get rid of the stuff that we don't. In this case, we've got several different species of invasive weeds, as well as a few that we call native but nuisance. So we don't want anything to get too overgrown. We also want to make sure the residents and the customers can see the water and everything's nice and cosmetically appealing. If you're good at your job, and once you get done with the training program, you will be too, you'll be able to identify everything that you run into and know exactly how to handle the problem as it occurs. If you're curious about what we do or what kind of opportunities we have, just head to lakedoctors.com and go under the Careers tab. All of our open positions and more information will be available there.